In this video, you'll learn how to manage team access in Lovable. This guide will take you through the necessary steps to effectively control who can access your projects within the platform. Begin by navigating to the Lovable website and your preferred web browser. Ensure that you have a stable internet connection to avoid interruptions during the process. Once the page loads, you'll be greeted with the Lovable homepage, which displays various options related to your projects. Next, locate and click on the Home option, usually found in the main navigation menu at the top of the page. This action will redirect you to your dashboard where you can view all your active projects and relevant updates. After that, find the project titled, What Should We Build, Shangri-La, and click on it. This will take you to the project's main interface where you can manage various settings and access options. Once you're on the project page, look for the All Projects link, which should be visible in the sidebar. Clicking on this link will display a comprehensive list of all projects associated with your account, allowing you to select the projects you wish to manage. Next, find and click on the highlight associated with the project you want to manage. This highlight will take you to a more detailed view of your project settings where you can make specific adjustments. Following this, click on the Share Project option, which is typically located within the project settings. Will open a new dialog, providing you with options to manage how your project is shared with team members. Now, select the Project Access option from the Sharing Settings menu. Here, you will see current access levels for existing team members and various options for managing their permissions. Afterward, click on the Invite Link section to generate a link that you can share with new team members. This link will allow them to access the project based on the permissions you set. Finally, click on the Create Invite Link button to generate a new link. Once created, you can distribute this link to team members, effectively granting them access to the project. Make sure to monitor the access levels to ensure that only the appropriate individuals have access. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.